Hey everyone, Siam here, and it's a really quick Bitcoin update. So here we have Bitcoin on the daily chart, and as you can see, it's had a bit of a riot, or a bit of a rout all the way up here, just flirting with the $20,000 level. And what's happened over the last sort of week, basically, is the market having a massive run up in market cap, and then obviously a lot of the market cap coming back. Now, I said for a while ago that we tend to have a bit of a early January sell-off due to basically people coming in and realizing a bit of profit. But again, like that previous video, every single time we have a bit of a pullback in market cap, we always see the market breaking all-time highs normally within a month or two. And if we're unfortunately, there's no good charts that show global market cap other than on here, and I freaking hate line charts like this. But if you were to draw a line across here, the market cap is basically sitting on this trend line. So, I mean, technically, it should bounce off this as it's caterpillaring up this trend line here. Excuse the bloody lumberjacks outside. However, there is a caveat. If it does break through this sort of trend line here and then close below it, we are seeing the market drop back down to at least the sort of 600 and quite potentially the $500 billion level. But again, nothing to worry about. Yeah, and when you're looking at the daily chart, yeah, I mean, normally when you see a big move, you tend to see a 50% retrace normally, and we actually had that. We spiked down all the way down to 10,408, and what we're having now is basically a bit of a dead cat bounce. So we've had a high, low high, and a dead cat bounce is basically showing us that, well, typically the distance from the neckline to the top of the bounce here in this case is, let's call, so it's the $4,000. So what technically should happen is that the market should fall through another $4,000. So around this level here. Sorry, have I got that right? So 13 to 7, yeah, 4. So technically around here, which again wouldn't surprise me because look what it's done. I mean, the next, really going down here, the next level of proper support or resistance is this level down here, which is around the $8,000 level. Whether we hit that or not, I don't think we will. However, another point, I mean, all of this is nice and dandy, but however, there's something you do need to understand, that 99% of the whole crypto market is basically powered by bullshit, hype, and future expectations. There's actually no value in this market, which a lot of people may feel a bit shocked because I'm pretty heavily into cryptos at the moment. But you have to be objective. You should never become emotionally attached to any asset class or investment. And so, yeah, most of it is bullshit. And there is a bit of a debate around whether you can use technical analysis or not. And the thing is, yes, you can use technical analysis. I mean, I absolutely wouldn't have grown my crypto account from $25,000 to $1 million in basically a 4-month period without technical analysis. However, sometimes it just doesn't. Sometimes it just breaks down on some fake news coming out, and then you're back to square one. And even though this does look like a dead cat bounce, it really could just keep hopping along this level here, and it could actually just end up being a bigger consolidation for a while. But who knows? But what I do know is that every time everyone has ever doubted Bitcoin or the crypto market, it's always shat them in the face, so to speak. Wow, that's quite crude. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so long story short, hold your pants, stay strong. Toodles.